Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is my wash day, so I'm going to show you guys how I wash my locks for the very first time. Okay, so I got that kit that includes the rubber bands, the gold bobby pins, and the black bobby pins from Amazon. I'm just going to use the rubber bands to secure the ends of my braids. I'm just going to loosely braid my entire head, single braids, and then I'm going to use the rubber band to secure the ends, making sure I leave enough space to wash the roots of my hair. So I'm just taking the rubber bands and securing the ends of the braid. Make sure not to wrap it around too many times because it will be difficult to take out once you are done. The reason why we're sectioning off our hair like this just to wash it is because we want to make sure none of the twists come undone because they're not locked yet. I'm using the Dr. Bronners Pure Castile soap and water in a spray bottle to wash my hair. So I'm just going to wash section by section using my fingers to gently massage my scalp and making sure that I'm getting in between the plaits really good. So after I finished washing each section, I just hopped in the shower and rinsed it out. I made sure I rinsed it out well because you don't want any residue left behind on any of your locks. After I've completely rinsed all the shampoo out of my hair, I'm just going to wrap it in a t-shirt and let it air dry. So at this point, my hair is about 95% dry, and I'm just going to go ahead and take each section out. And this is pretty much the last step of washing your hair. There's no need for conditioner because the conditioner is just going to make your locks slip out. So this is what my hair looks like, completely dry and with the plaits taken all out. So that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.